Night at a museum?
Yeah.
Maybe by restaurant. Mosquito. Huge turtle.
Yeah, it's a good turtle.
We are currently at State Coffee. State Coffee?
Solid state, I think.
Solid State Coffee.
Oh, damn. That's really good. When it's like too hard and it's too like, this is really good because it's like soft
Perfect.
still.
The one from Night at a Museum. Wow. Well, let's see where we came from. I love these bottles. Yeah. 5-year-old. See, this one looks more sophisticated. Look at this place.
It won't kill you, but it's not great.
Cute eyeballs.
I don't think the eyeballs are cute.
It looks friendly though.
Why does it look so fucking cute?
Huge turtle.
Yeah, it's good turtle. It's kind of like us with turtles.
The one with this head, the duck bills. That's a freaking sloth. Mosquito.
Oh, it's enlarged.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, where did this come from?
Just flew by so fast. I think we spent about 3 or 4 hours at the Natural Museum. We had a whole bunch of plans today, but didn't manage to do anything except the Natural Museum. So now we are heading to the Chelsea market. We're actually gonna check out the restaurant Mukbar, which is owned by Esther Choi. We saw her at this Netflix cooking show Iron Chef, The Quest for an Iron Legend, and we really liked her food because she specializes in Korean ramen and other like Korean inspired dishes. We're gonna try out that noodle place, and this is the entire line to order.
Food? It was like...
I had such a good day spending with my sister today, going around New York City, visiting the Natural Museum, and also trying out 2 different restaurants at the Chelsea market. So beautiful. Food, here we come. What is it?
It's us!
No way. Matcha.
made this at home, but it wasn't as good.
What do you buy restaurants?
Great Wall, the market.
Dude, this is the best wonton soup I've ever had in my life.